Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see about the four extremely good commands of the AutoCAD, and if you not seen my previous video, please check out the link below. And today we're going to see about erase, undo, trim, extend and rotate. First let me set the limits options here, and I'm just setting my sheets as 510 and comma 510 comma 410. And first to list erase. First I'm just drawing multiple diagrams. For erase, command is enter, select the object and enter. The object will be deleted. So it is very useful when you just draw a multiple set of diagrams, and if you just want to erase particular type of diagram. And you enter is undo. Just you enter, it will be undo your actions. Next we're just going to see about trim options here. So trim options is very essential in AutoCAD, and it is very useful command. And just let me draw a layout for this trim options. This example will be perfect for all the options and the trim. For trim, command is tr double enter. We have a fence, crossing, project, edge, erase and undo. First we see about fence. Fence is nothing but it's just a crossing of anything. If you just draw anything like in a crossing manner with the closed or open loop, it will be trimmed. And next is crossing, and if it has any edge, it will be trimmed. And if we just use the trim command as a T or double enter, it will be normally used as a crossing trim options only. Next is project. Project is nothing but it's just a trim option based on our views, and it is also similar like a crossing, and it needs something line whatever. It needs something opposite to each other. So for example, I'm just drawing a small pot of line and just project, we enter, then it asks UCS or view or something else. UCS is nothing but user coordinate system, which is the coordinate system I just set on. So based on that, it will be trimmed. You can trim in this diagram. You can trim anywhere because opposite we have a lots of edges, so it will be easy. Next option is edge. We have a extend or no extend. First we see extend. Extend means it will be trimmed to the edge of the extended that line. Next we see the no extend in the edge option. No extend, it will be fully trimmed opposite the line. So it is very useful if you just going to trim it between the edges of any lines. So erase is normal erase as we see before, and undo is normal undo as we see before. So E enter and U enter same, but vice versa it should be in the trim option. Next we just going to see about the extend command. For extend, the command is EX double enter, and same for options here. Fence, just crossing line, just then click enter, it will be close to the next line. And next is crossing. Similar, if you just EX double enter, it will be normally as a crossing command. Just click the edge of the open loop, it will be as a closed loop. Then same project. And guys, if you have any other doubts in my videos, please mention in comment or inbox in my FB page, and just given my FB page below. And please inbox my FB page, I will be right back as soon as possible. And if you just had anything, please mention it. And next we just going to see the edge. It is also similar. We have external no extend option, and edge no extend, it will be fully up to the closed loop. extend it will be only up to the edge of the line. You can see here right now will be extend to the that particular line. So next we're going to say about rotate option. It is very essential in AutoCAD command. This is a simple commands and it will be very useful when you're drawing anything in the AutoCAD. And for rotate, the command is RO enter, and it should be asked select the object, and then it will be asked to specify the base point, any point based on that we're going to rotate. After that we have option like this. We can also enter the angle here. I'm just entering 80 here. It will be tilted to the 80 from the base point we selected. One more time, just selecting, then base point. I'm just dragging to the center to this and center to this, and we get the middle point here. Make sure you just enable the option in the DS Center draft settings. One more time, just rotate, select the object, tracking a midpoint here, tracking midpoint here. Just we get a midpoint here so that our rectangle is clear. Now we use the copy option in the rotate. C enter, it will be copied, and then click, it will be like this. We have one more option like that. It is a rotate as a reference command in rotate. Select the object, base point, then give or enter. Based on the reference angle or the 2 points we clicking, the object will be rotated like this. It is also very useful while we drawing elevated views. So hope this comments is useful for you guys. If you had any doubt, please mention in comments, and please subscribe to the channel, and please share with your friends, share your opinions, comments, whatever, so that I can improve in my other videos. And thank you so much for watching this, guys. Bye bye, see you in the next video.